I'll back it, man.
Fishing, hunting today.
Look, get up.
One that we kind of come to frequently. There's Splake in here. And
I'll back
doing
it.
okay with the birds so far. And we'll see how we do with the fish. Did he find it?
Yeah. He went right by this one.
Good boy, Stitchberry.
I'm just sitting here. I got time. It's clear to see from up here. The world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful. You and me. We meant to be in the great outdoor, forever free. Sometimes you need to go.
I don't know if I got that.
Take a step back to see the truth around you.
Like 2 birds within like 5 minutes on this road.
Yeah.
Nice.
Look at Gord's feathers.
Yeah.
We'll see what the other one looks like. So yeah, it's got brown in it.
Yeah,
And I've never seen that either. I thought it was always gray.
Well, and this is a regular size now.
Can you take one out, Gord?
What she's showing there is a regular size.
Yeah, that's a regular size
Yeah.
grouse. Now these ones are different. They're way bigger, eh?
Well, the brown, the very first brown I ever seen, well, the first of the few, was
Okay, so look at this. This is gorgeous.
that's the wrong side. That's the back side. There's the front side.
No, that would be how the tail would be displayed, right?
Okay, yeah.
Okay, so you can see the difference in the coloring right there. Brown and then gray. So it's taken on the color of the actual poofy feathers down here.
But this has finally got Gord's brown feathers. Got 2 now this year. This one. I think there's a bit of gray in it.
Gray, yeah. That's crazy.
Look how brown that is.
And look at the size difference too. So
Well, when I seen the first ones, they were a lot bigger. They were twice as big as that. And I thought, well, this has got to be some genetic deviation or something. But now, when people are bringing me feathers, they're brown. You brought me gray.
Yeah.
And that's what that's what I expect a partridge to be.
yeah.
But people are bringing me the one from the guy the other day. He just ran it over with his car, or he found it on the side of the road or whatever. And he says, I told him, I says, that's a brown one. And well, 0.30. I said, no, not until 2 years ago. They weren't brown.
Yeah, what happened?
I may end up phoning the M&R and asking them.
What happened?
I'm gonna pay attention from the ones I harvest.
Yeah, because I never
Pay
would have
attention to
even
the color,
realized
and Pay
this.
attention to the size of them, because
Yeah.
I'm telling you, the brown ones, the one that she's holding here
Yeah.
is just a regular size.
Yeah.
The first ones I got, and I probably got it right over here. First ones I got were monster fucking sizes. I mean, I couldn't believe it.
Like, this is a big fantail. You know what I mean?
Oh, here we go. Okay, look at the size of this compared to what you got there.
Okay, so
Look at the size
that's
of that.
okay. So you know what? Here's my thought. is that the big one. See how big this is?
Yeah.
That's a male, and this is a female.
The colors?
No, the size difference. The male's gonna have the big tail to show off, right? It's kind of like a peacock.
Yeah.
Found it, Stitchberry?
Damn, Bob. Where is he? Come here.
Good boy, Stitchberry.
Come on, let's go. That's my doggy. Good boy.
Arriving shortly at our destination, and all the apples are peeled up in this bag anyways. Time to go fishing. Here. Where did it go? Oh, I missed it. There's another one. I thought it was on the board. It's not 3. I make that one, or did you buy that one?
I bought this one.
These things were pain to unwind.
All good things come with patience.
Attach it to the leader. Just gotta get a minnow on there for bait. And wait. Special shout out to McTwin Bait and Tackle for our minnows. Half price. So these are some of
You stay there, Bubby.
some of the lures that I made. It's a lot cheaper than buying them at the big store.
Hi.
Weights. Leader. The lead on the go-getters. 5 feet. Hard flash lure. 2 hooks. One through the mouth and one through the back. And we're off! new rod. Shakespeare. Oh, craft. It's a new line, new reel. Shock. Got something? Oh, there you got something. Okay, no, we're good. Just like that.
Lost about 4 or 5 yesterday.
Oh, yeah.
That was a nice one you had.
It was. I lost a biggie. Too fast.
I'll turn us around.
Oh,
I like it this speed. Got him?
no.
Yeah.
Oh, gone. Oh, they're finicky.
Robbed you?
No, not Rob. Oh,
There he is.
holy crap.
Yeah, drop it down. Oh. Cool, eh? Got him?
Really?
Drop the
No.
line. Drop the
Oh
line.
my god, they're finicky. They're hungry. Lures on the way here. Pike fishing. Go with gold. Oh my goodness, yeah, right?
Want a light one or a heavy one? Try reeling it. I know when they like your line, they like your line. Needs to get in action.
There we go.
Got him?
Oh, off again.
Drop it down.
Jeez.
You get him this time?
I'm gonna try.
You don't get that many chances on a fish. hard to catch.
Ah! I don't.
Let's walk.
No,
Drop it
he
down.
keeps getting off.
Drop it.
This is why I hate splake fishing, even in the wintertime. Hate it. But the ice fishing makes for good videos in the winter. Oh, come on.
He likes it, that's for sure. He comes back for it. They're not easy. I'm telling you, I lost about 4 or 5 yesterday. I was so mad.
Come on, you little bastard. Ah! Now I got robbed.
Got one?
Let's go. Yeah. Got one.
Good. Maybe that's line I lost. Yeah.
Huh?
About time. Come on, spit that out.
Beautiful. Ali 1, Gen 1. Getting cold here. Pretty soon we're gonna have ice on this lake. Winter quickly approaching. I got one. I think I got one. Ah. Come on, don't get off there. Holy crap, I had a lot of line out. This thing's big. Holy crap!
What snagged?
Or I'm snagged? Oh, that's a good
Well, you
shot.
get the minnow? There's a minnow in there.
What?
I was gonna try and scoop it.
Another one. Oh, he's slaying them today. Oh! Oh!
What did I do wrong there?
Got one. Here's a fish. That's a small one. Little guy. Oh, at least I'm catching them. Don't buy this line. See this mess? Brand new line. Shouldn't be doing this. When your line does this, take it back to the store. I'll show you what line it is. Put a picture. Nothing? Yeah, yours is doing it too, just not as bad. Brr. I think that's going to conclude our little fishing and hunting haul today. Unless Allie can pull one in. I brought my line in. I'm not dealing with that craziness happening. Yeah, that's really frustrating. So, what we got? 5?
I think so.
5?
November today.
5 splake and 2 birds, and maybe we'll be able to get a couple of birds on the way out too. So, thanks for watching.
What's that thing you got hanging there?
Oh, that's my medicine pouch with tobacco and stuff in there.
Like a dead chicken laying there.
No dead chickens.
No dead chickens.
No.